All right, let's see. Here we have, let's see if we get a good focus on this. Miracle Magnetic. Focus, dang you. There we go. Miracle Magnetic. Um, I've seen Jeans and Lockpicking Lawyer pick one of these things with a magnetic rake, but unfortunately, according to the Discord moderators, if you want to pick this thing for belt ranking, you got to do it with a single pin, and magnetic rake counts as rake. So I made this little one magnet, one little magnet single pin with some depth markers based on where the magnets are in the keyway. So let's see if we can get this guy. Key works very nicely, very smoothly. One of the things I do on this to make it a little easier is something I've seen some other people use for like Ava MCSs and LZIT and some of the other magnetic locks is a little piece of magnetic shielding, and this way, hopefully, I can set one side without interfering with the other side. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. And at least on this specific lock, the magnetic pin's set first, and then the five. I should show the key. The 5 pins where there's some tapered spools in there with one standard driver. But let's see if we can get this guy with the magnets first, because that's the important part. And I have to keep switching these sides back and forth. This really probably doesn't pick up on the camera, but I can actually hear the magnet setting. And now if you see it, if I get this out of the way, we're in a very, very deep falset. Let's see if I can get it good. That usually means that the magnets are picked, and now it's just onto the regular pins, which aren't too big of an issue on this guy. There's one. Two. Oh, must have actually bumped the other. I've noticed that with this piece of magnetic shielding, sometimes going in and out, I end up bumping keys to the right positions and they get stuck there. So hopefully this actually counts for picking it, even though I only touched 2 of the 5 pins. But yeah, yep. As you can see, we are. Let's see if I can get it. We're open now. All right, I'm gonna lock this thing back up. Show you that, key still works and everything. All right, let's go ahead and take this guy apart. Make sure I stay in frame this entire time. Screwdriver. Let's see if I can get a better angle on this. Sorry about this, everyone. And hopefully focus a little better. There we go. Let's try that. All right. Sorry, I bumped the focus. There we go. go. Let's see, first I'm going to go ahead and take out these magnets so that I don't accidentally shoot them across the room when I take the key out. Let's see, 4 magnets there. And we'll get a better look at these pins before things are done. Come on, you. Sometimes these pins are a little sticky. Oops, that went back. There we go. Let's take the drivers out. So there are 4 of these tapered. Here, let me get a good grip on it. Come on, you bugger. There are these 4 of these tapered spools in there. This is the orientation that I've had them in the lock. I think that's correct, but I don't want to be like certain other YouTube pickers and find out that I'm wrong. So if this is the wrong orientation, let me know and I'll just repick it. Let's see, there's first driver tapered spool with a spring, a mangled spring that we don't talk about why it's mangled. Another tapered spool. Come on. Spring. Spool. Get these orientated correctly. There we go. Spring. Tapered spool. This is the spring that I believe has the. Let's get a good look. Come on. Yeah, there's a little overlifting, preventing driver in there. Come on, let's see if I get a good focus. You can kind of see it right here. There you go. Yeah, a little pin in there to prevent overlifting attacks. And then the last one. Yeah, sorry. It's a standard driver with the spring. All right, let's see if we can get a good look at this. Where's the core of the key? There we go. So, oh, I am so sorry about this. This is terrible. Focus, you piece of. It's about as good as it's going to get. There we go. Yeah, you can see the 4 tapered spools there, the standard and the 5th spot there. Yep, 4 magnets, and that's pretty much it. There's really not a ton to this thing. The magnets definitely do make things interesting, but using that magnetic shielding and being very, very careful with your tensioning makes this thing pretty easy, actually. And that's it. Thank you, everyone.